Hello everyone, my name is Germán Pimentel. I'm a teacher in the Diplomado Intensivo de Inglés para Docentes. I work at Urania Montaz Center in San Juan de la Maguana, and today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about Unit 10 Part B, specifically about the grammar structures, alright? So let's begin. Well, on this part of the unit, we are talking about making predictions about the future. And to do this, we are going to use the following tenses. The first one that we are going to talk about is the simple future. The simple future is the auxiliary verb will, or the modal verb will, plus the verb in its base form. It is used to make predictions about future events or situations. Example, next year, scientists will find a cure to cancer, or scientists will not find a cure to cancer. So we use the simple future to make predictions about activities, events, or situations. Then we have the future continuous. The future continuous is used to talk about future actions that will be in progress at a specific time in the future and to make predictions about ongoing actions, actions that will be in process in the future. For example, humans will be traveling to the moon on vacation in 30 years. So that action will be in process, in continuous process in 30 years. Now, in the future continuous, the structure is the auxiliary verb will plus be plus the verb in the gerund form. It means the verb plus ing. And then we have the future perfect. Future perfect is used to talk about and predict actions or events that will be completed by a specific time in the future. For example, by 2050, humans will have set up colonies in other planets. Within 50 years, people will have built cities under the ocean. So we use the present perfect to make predictions about actions, activities, or events that will be completed by a specific time in the future. So when you say, for example, by next year, I will have bought my own house, that means that when next year comes, that action will be finished by that time. So the structure in the future perfect is the auxiliary verb will plus have plus the verb in past participle. Let's continue, guys. Well, guys, it's time to practice. And to practice, here you have a multiple choice exercise. So the first says, this time tomorrow, Maria on a beach in Mallorca. So the options that we have is will sunbathe, will be sunbathing, will have sunbathed. So what do you think the answer is? Well, the correct answer is will be sunbathing. And this is because we are referring to a specific time in the future, to an action that will be in progress at a specific time in the future. That's why we say this time tomorrow. Then the next one says, wake me up by 9 o'clock. I will have slept long enough by then. Here we use the future perfect because we are talking about an action that will be completed by a specific time or period of time in the future. So when you say by 9 o'clock, that means that by 9 o'clock, by that time, you will have slept enough or sufficient. Then number 3 says, look, I can give you a lift to the station. That way anyway. So what do you think the correct answer is? The right answer is will drive. So we are using the simple future because we are talking about an action that we will do or will perform in the future, right? So here you have the answers to the other questions. Well, guys, I hope this exercise helped you identify the use of the simple future, future continuous, and future perfect. Remember that the simple future is used to refer to future activities or events. Future continuous to talk about an action or activity that will be in progress at a specific time in the future. And future perfect to refer to an action that will be completed by a specific time or period of time in the future. So I hope you found this video interesting and helpful, guys. Before we finish, I would like to share a quote with you, so take a look at it. So it says, what is coming is better than what is gone. So I think the message is very clear. I want you to bear that in mind, all right? So it was my pleasure to be with you today, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any doubt or you need any help or you consider that I can help you with anything, my email address is at the beginning of this video, so you can just send me an email. See you later, guys. My pleasure.